Good morning, Honorable SSS and my dear friends. Today, I would like to speak on the topic vocational training, which plays a crucial role in skill development and employment generation in developing countries like India. Vocational training refers to practical, skill based education that prepares individuals for specific trades, craft, or technical careers. Unlike traditional academic education that focuses mainly on theoretical knowledge, vocational training emphasizes hands on experience and practical skills. It includes training in fields such as electrical work, plumbing, carpentry, automobile mechanics, nursing, hospitality, computer hardware, and many more. Such training equips individuals with job ready skills and increases their employability. One of the major advantages of vocational training is that it reduces unemployment and bridges the gap between education and industry requirement. Many industries require skilled workers rather than only degree holders. By promoting vocational education, we can create a skilled workforce that contributes directly to economic growth. In India, initiatives such as Skill India missions, industrial training institutes, and various government schemes aims to promote vocational skills amongst youth. These programs help students from diverse backgrounds gain technical knowledge and become financially independent. Vocational training is especially beneficial in rural areas where formal employment opportunities may be limited. However, vocational training still faces challenges such as social stigma, lack of awareness, and limited infrastructure in certain regions. Many people mistakenly consider it inferior to academic education. Changing this mindset is essential for balanced development. In conclusion, vocational training is a powerful tool for empowering youth and boosting economic growth. It promotes self reliance, dignity of labor, and skill based development.